Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is going to be a short and sweet, very easy and beginner friendly last minute holiday look. And when I say easy, y'all, I mean very easy. As always, I already have on brows and base. And that is because most of us already have a general brow routine or a foundation routine. So this again is just going to be more of like your blushes, your eyes and stuff like that. Let's get hair out of the way. I hope everybody is well. I hope you guys are enjoying Durismas, aka Vlogmas. Of course, I enjoy doing this. I love doing Durismas, doing Vlogmas, really connecting with you guys on a different level. Like, it's super special to me to just kind of, you know, spend the holidays with you guys, spend this time of the year with you guys, and put out content every single day versus just a few times a week. So we're gonna dive in. I'm quickly gonna prime my lids with my Alter Ego eyeshadow base. I did, of course, pay for this myself, but I do have an affiliated code with Alter Ego, and I do receive PR from them occasionally. I'm also trying a different setting on my phone, so I don't know how that's going to work out because it's like the face finder thing. So if I go in and out, I do apologize. And obviously I won't realize that until I watch it back. So, you know, if it's not perfect, then I'm sorry, and you know, I'm not perfect either. So yeah, anyways, are you ready for the holidays? Are you somebody that shops kind of early? Are you a last minute shopper? Obviously there's no wrong way to do it, y'all. All right, when I say easy, you guys, this is literally you get called and somebody's like, hey, let's go have a quick lunch date. You have a girls' day, you guys are wanting to go grab some drinks or something like that. You have a last minute party, or maybe you're hosting and you don't necessarily want to do kind of a full-on look, but you want to look a little bit holiday-ish. This look is for you. I'm going to go in with my Moira bronzer. This is their signature bronzer in Sun-Kissed Honey. And I like that, especially, you know, in the wintertime and stuff like that. I can kind of go into the lighter shade a little bit more than the deeper shade, but then in the summertime, I'm able to utilize it. If you're new here, I'm sorry. Utilize it as well. I am literally going to go in with a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into the darker shade, and I'm throwing this in my crease. It does not have to be fancy. It does not have to be super neat or anything like that. As a matter of fact, with these types of looks, and y'all know I do this type of look all the time, it's literally about just kind of throwing a look together while it being, you know, soft and maybe a little bit more diffused, but you just look put together literally without any effort at all. Again, the darker shade. Yeah, I typically am done. Of course, I have like last minute things, or, you know, maybe if a family member's coming into town or something like that, I'm like, okay, you know, I need to go, you know, buy for this person or whatever the case may be. Generally speaking, though, I am done with holiday shopping prior to November 1st. And in saying that, I kind of shop all year long. And, you know, as I see things maybe on clearance, you know, I see things on sale. I see things in like the Boxy Mega Drop Shop, things like that, or the IPSY Mega Drop Shop, things like that. I'm like, oh, you know what? So-and-so would like this. Let me go ahead and grab it now. That's kind of the way that I like to shop. And then I'm going into the lighter one, same brush, and I'm just going to kind of diffuse that particular shade out just a little bit. Now, if you have like a standard bronzer, whatever bronzer you've used like on your, you know, face is basically what I would say to use on your eyes. So, you know, if you don't have like a dual bronzer, or maybe you have a bronzer that's got a matte side and a shimmery side, any bronzer that you're going to use on the face is also going to work for this technique. But I definitely shop, you know, with sales, coupons, and all that kind of stuff. If I see clearance deals, more specifically, like kind of in between seasons or at the end of the season, like clothing, shoes, homeware, you know, things like that. Homeware? Housewares? Home decor? Home decor and stuff like that is generally a lot cheaper. I mean, I've found pieces of clothing literally for $1, you guys. So that's why I choose to shop in that way. And then what I kind of do is save up some money. I do have a resale group over on Facebook. It's always linked. And that's kind of how I fuel and fund my channel, as well as, you know, any type of monthly purchases for myself. And for myself, would like to know how you guys feel about this. Going in with an open fluffy brush, I'm going to swirl in and I'm going to bronze up But for myself, I don't tend to really buy myself anything or kind of like ask for like a whole lot in terms of, you know, for the holiday seasons or anything like that. Because I kind of save up, and then as brands have, you know, their holiday sales, Black Friday, things like that, that's kind of when I will buy for myself, you know, anything that's maybe been on my wish list for the year, and or things that are a little bit more expensive that maybe, you know, my son is looking at or my husband or whomever. I feel like at that time we get a little bit better of a deal. More specifically, I feel like in terms of, you know, electronics, gaming, tools, things like that. So yeah, I used to be not necessarily a last minute shopper, but because I worked retail, you know, this time of the year is sometimes a little bit wild, and you maybe don't always have the time. So sometimes I would be a last minute shopper because I worked so dang much. And then obviously, you know, my son was younger and stuff like that, so I would go home and want to obviously spend time with him and spend time with my family. That's it for this. Next up, and if you don't have a red blush, use whatever blush is complementary to your skin tone, things like that. I am obsessed with this blush from House Labs. It is Watermelon Bliss. And I love a punchy red blush, a raspberry blush. They're amazing. And I love orange blushes, of course, in like the summertime. This has got some really, really nice pigment. So I'm going to tap it off and tap it on my towel. And I just think this just gives just a flush of color, a little pop of color. And then, of course, you know, if you are somebody that you do like to wear more reds and stuff like that in the, you know, holiday season, then I feel like this is a really beautiful one. It wears incredibly well. It looks beautiful and really soft and diffused on the skin. And if you ever go a little too heavy-handed, like I said, this packs obviously a punch, as you guys are seeing. If you ever go too heavy-handed with the blush, the bronzer, whatever the case may be, whatever brush you used for your foundation and or your foundation sponge, whatever the case may be, your powder puff that maybe has a little bit of powder left on it, I just kind of take that brush and go over that area and kind of press it out just a little bit. And you can see it's a little bit more diffused now than it is on this side. I want to know too, are you more of like a practical gift giver / receiver? Do you maybe ask for something during the holidays that is maybe a little bit more expensive because you don't kind of buy those things throughout the year? I'd like to know. And then I'm going to go into a different fluffy brush. You could probably use the same one. Again, this is quite pigmented and punchy. And I'm just going to run this right under. So again, whatever blush and bronzer you're using, that is what you're going to put on the lids. And not only is this incredibly easy, and we're literally using just a few products for this makeup application, it's also quite cohesive of a look, which is something else that I love about doing this particular look. And you guys, if you've been here with me for a while, you know, especially in the summertime, I love doing this type of a look. Throwing on, you know, my blush and bronzer, and then throwing on those same, you know, blushes and bronzers into my eye look. It's just super cohesive. It makes for a beautiful kind of monochromatic look. I'm not going in with any shimmers, no glitters, no bells and whistles, no highlighter, no nothing. Now, just with my finger, I am going to take, sorry for flipping y'all off, I am just going to take this and put it onto the lid. Now, if you did want to kind of jazz this up, the next step for me personally, I think I would go in with a little bit of shimmer on the inner corner only. Again, keeping it quite simple. And then maybe doing like a black liquid liner, just kind of, you know, on the, just kind of at the actual waterline itself or the lash line itself. You could do a beautiful wing as well. I think that'd be super stunning too. And you're seeing, I mean, literally in real time, you know, I'm just using my fingers. I'm using just a couple of brushes. I feel like so often we feel like we have to have, you know, the latest and greatest of everything. We have to have the bells and the whistles and stuff like that. And we don't. We can have a beautiful cohesive look with minimal effort and minimal tools. All right. From here, I'm going to line my lips. This is the Sephora Beauty Amplifier. This is the Universal Lip Liner. It's an anti-feathering lip liner. I have mentioned these types of products for many, many years. I used to use the Milani Anti-Feathering Lip Pencil. I do have a hard time finding that now, but Sephora has one, Maybelline has one that's really nice as well. If you are somebody like me that you are a little bit more mature, or you have maybe smoker's lines, you have maybe drier lips, you find that putting on bolder lip colors, things will bleed and feather and stuff like that, this is going to be your best friend. There's literally no color to it at all. Anybody can use it. And I take it and put it kind of just above my actual natural lip line. And then I'm going to go in with the Flower Beauty lipstick in the shade Icon. This freaking packaging and component and stuff is so beautiful and weighted. And I love, and I think it's just quintessential holiday, quintessential, you know, Christmas time, quintessential classic. I love a red lip, you guys. I love a red lip. Oh, it's so beautiful. All right, this is a matte, so while I'm waiting for this to kind of fully set down, it's freaking beautiful, by the way, I'm going to curl my lashes. And I feel like curling your lashes, it just kind of obviously elevates the look just a little bit. I feel like you get a longer hold, longer wear, and I like to have my lashes kind of more curled and lifted. And obviously you do not have to do this. But I think even just curling the lashes, like you can kind of see that you're already going to kind of open up the eyes a little bit more. And then in kind of keeping on theme with it being, you know, obviously a red lip is bold, but being a little bit more soft and natural, I'm going to go in with the Essence mascara in brown. This is more of a lifting mascara, so if you're looking for something a little bit more volumizing, I'm actually a fan of layering mascaras. So I will go in with a mascara kind of like the Maybelline Sky High or something like that, and really kind of lift and lengthen the lashes. And then I'll go in with something else, kind of like maybe Better Than Sex or something like that, and add kind of the volume that I'm looking for. If you wanted to stay very, very soft on the lids and just have the impact from the lip, you could just do the bronzer on the eyes completely all over as like a wash of color and not do your blush shade. And again, very simple, not putting any shadow or mascara or anything on the lower lash line. And if I were not talking through this, I would have probably been done in about 6 to 8 minutes, just noting it for y'all. I'm also a fan, honestly, of just doing mascara and a bold red lip. Like, you could even just do that and do nothing on the eyes at all. And that is it. That is my super simple, beginner-friendly, last-minute holiday look. I would love to know what your kind of go-to last-minute holiday look is. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you guys have the most amazing holiday season. I am so, so grateful for you guys. Just thank you guys. Thank you for coming in and taking the time to come into my space and watch. Thank you for allowing me into your space. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. You can tap that hype button, and you can also click the join button to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.